Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to use the envelope tool and text the path to get this same curvature of the envelope tool. They asked me not to use their text that they're doing it for, so I just typed out envelope tool and text the path. So to get this shape, we want to click on our item and we want to go to the envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout. For this to work, you have to press single arch and then hold down the shift key, and it makes it grow from that side or from up and down both sides evenly. Now to get this exact path, what we're going to do, we're going to turn on our indexing lines, and you can see I've already kind of played around with it. Let's just take these away so we'll start from scratch. You could do it probably without, but if we click on our envelope and then grab, the pick tool will automatically turn on when you get up to your ruler and have it like snap to that node. Now you're going to have to pick the envelope tool again, and we're going to go right there to that E, and it maybe not or might not snap to it. Now you can see that it's past this L because the envelope is actually starting over here. So let's pick the envelope tool there, and you see we're dead on. So I would actually take another indexing line and put it right there. Now what we need to do is take a three-pointed line, which I love writing with the three-point curve line, and I'm going to go from that node to that intersection, and then I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perfectly. And you see it, now the O's are a little bit bigger than, like a lot of the letters, but that's perfect. I would actually now move this up to wherever you want it. Let's turn off the indexing line. And then if you grab your text that you want to put on that path, and if you go to text the path and just put on the path, and then move it over till you see that red line. I don't know if you can see that red line snap. That means it's in the center. And then just go up to object, and well, what you got to do is actually select both the path and the text, and then break the text apart, and then you can get rid of your line. So that's how you would do it. And if you would measure this, it would be identical to that path. That's a pretty good question. I like questions like that. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.